In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a journal entry in Zoho Books. To get started, open your Zoho Books account and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the layout if you're new to the platform. Zoho Books organizes most accounting tools in the side menu, which makes it easy to move between different sections when you know where to look. From the dashboard, go to the Accountant section. This area is where you'll find accounting-specific tools that help you manage adjustments, entries, and other bookkeeping tasks. If you're creating a journal entry, this is the correct place to begin because it gives you access to manual accounting actions that may not come from regular sales or expense transactions. After opening the Accountant section, click on Manual Journal. This will take you to the journal entry page, where you can review existing entries or create a new one. Manual journals are useful when you need to record adjustments, corrections, accruals, or other accounting entries that aren't automatically generated elsewhere in the system. Next, click New to create a fresh journal entry. Once the form opens, enter the necessary details carefully. This typically includes the journal date, the accounts involved, and the debit and credit amounts. Be sure your entry is balanced before moving forward, since every journal entry needs total debits and total credits to match. Depending on your workflow, you may also want to include a clear description or memo, so the purpose of the entry is easy to understand later. Taking an extra few seconds here can make future reviews and reconciliation much easier. As you fill in the information, double-check that each account selection is correct and that the amounts are entered in the proper columns. Accuracy is especially important with manual journal entries because these records directly affect your books. If you're working from supporting documents or internal notes, it's a good idea to compare everything once before saving. Once you've entered all the required information and confirmed everything looks correct, click Save and Publish. This finalizes the journal entry and records it in Zoho Books. After that, your manual journal will be added to your accounting records and available for review when needed. And that's how to add a journal entry in Zoho Books. Follow each step carefully. Review your details before publishing, and you'll be able to keep your records accurate and organized.